Let's start with our first sum. 103 minus 6, right? Let's place 103 in the abacus. We have to subtract 6 now. We cannot subtract 6 directly from the units rod because we only have 3 rods. So now we have to make use of big friends, right? In big friends, as you know that 6 friend is 4, right? So less the boss 10, add the friend 4. You have to add 4 on the units rod, but here there is a catch, right? Suppose if you had 113 here and you had to subtract 6, what you would do? Less the boss 10, add the friend 4. You have to add 4 on the units rod, right? This is again small friends. You have added the friend 4, but now we have 103 in place of 113, right? So what we'll do is we'll less the boss 10, because we cannot subtract 10 here, 10 from the tens rod. We are going to subtract from hundreds rod and borrow it onto tens rod like this, and then add 4 on the units rod. Got the answer as 97. Hope this is clear. As I have already told in previous videos, these kind of sums are slightly tricky, but you will get it with practice. Next up we have this sum. Let's solve one number. 4. I have to add 7. Add the boss 10, less the friend 3. 8. 8 can be added directly. 56. 56. Add the boss 10, less 6 friend 4. 76. Add the boss 10, less 7's friend 3. 6. Add the boss 10, less 6 friend 4. 30 can be added directly. 4 is again small friends. 65. We cannot add 6 directly. Add the boss 10, less 6 friend 4. Here it's small friend subtraction. 5. Add the boss 10, less 5's friend 5. 88. Add the boss 10, less 8's friend 2. 8 can be added directly on units rod. Minus 7 can be subtracted directly. Minus 36. 30 can be subtracted directly. Now we have to subtract 6. We cannot less the boss 10 on this rod, so we'll have to less the boss 10 on the hundreds rod and borrow it on to tens rod. 6's friend is 4. 6 is being used a lot. 6 friend is 4, so add the boss 5, less 4's friend 1 in small friends. In small friends, 4's friend is 1. 4's friend is 1. Now we have to add 6 again. Add the boss 10, less 6's friend 4. 32 can be added directly. 54, this is nice. 54, less the boss 10, add 5's friend 5, minus 4, less the boss 10, add 4's friend 6. Got the answer as 279. We'll go for the next sum. Now we have a 3-digit multiplied by a 2-digit. This sum is very interesting. Please pay attention. 315 into 34. As you know that we are going to break this sum into multiple parts. The first part is going to be multiplying 31 into 34. This is going to be our first part. Second part is going to be multiplying 5 with 34, right? So again 31 into 34 can be broken down into two parts again. So 31 into 3 is going to be our first part. 31 into 4 is going to be our second part. Okay, this is going to be the final thing, 5 into 34. Let's start with 31 into 3 first. As you know that a 3D when multiplied by a 2D gives answer as a 5D. Of course there are exceptions to this because of something called as zero rule. I hope this is visible. If it's not, it's called zero rule. Okay. 31 into 3. This one, as you know, can be done by like this. 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9, as you all know, but with zero rule it's called 09. Since a 3D when multiplied with a 2D gives answer as a 5D, 3D multiplied with a 2D gives answer as a 5D. Okay, for that reason we have to start placing numbers from the fifth rod, that is 10,000th rod. Okay, 3 into 3 is 09. I am going to write all the products here. Okay, I am going to write all the products here. 3 into 3 is 09. 09. 3 into 3, nothing on the 10,000th rod, 9 on the 1000th rod. 1 into 3 is 03. Okay, we have started placing 9 from the 10,000th rod. We should start placing 3 from one rod right to 10,000th rod, that is 1000th rod, right? 03, right? 03. Okay, now 3 into 4 is 12. 12 should be placed from here because this product we started placing from 10,000th rod. So the next product will be placed from 1000th rod. 3 into 4 is 12. So again big friends addition here and small friends here. 1 into 4. 1 into 4. 1 into 4 is 04. Since we started placing 31 into 4 from 1000th rod and 12 also from 1000th rod, 4 will be one rod right to the 1000th rod, right? So it is going to be 04. Okay, got the point? We started placing 31 into 4 from 1000th rod, so we will place 0 into 4 from 100th rod. 0, 0 on 100th rod and 4 on 10th rod. This part is done. This 31 into 34 part is done. Next part we have 5 into 34. 5 into 3 is 15. We are done with this part, right? We are going to do the next part. Now here the trick is where many kids commit mistake is the placing of numbers on the rods. This has to be done very carefully, especially when zero rule is in action, right? Especially when zero rule is in action. 5 into 34 should be started placing from 100th rod because this part was broken into two parts. Okay, 31 into 3. 31 into 3 started from 10,000th rod. 31 into 4 started from 1000th rod. So 5 into 34 will start from 100th rod. 5 into 3 is 15. From 100th rod add 15. I have added 15. 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is 20. So 100th rod it's finished. Now 20 on 10th rod. Add the bus 10 less 2's friend 8. Got the answer as 10, 7, 10. 10, 7, 10. Okay, thank you. I wanted to mention one thing. If you have any brothers, sisters or cousins or anyone you know who wants to learn Abacus, please consider recommending my channel. Apart from that, if you have found any value from our channel and this video, please do like, share and subscribe. That will help us grow. Thank you. Thanks a lot.